We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too.
Morning guys! Hello, it's us again, Ivo and Nettie, for the Thoughts Adventure vlog. I know, medyo dugay na bigla, or matagal na tayo hindi nakapag-post na video vlog since medyo busy yung state namin. But as of now, we are back in the truck, and now we are going someplace na ginatawag na to Buda, where the strawberries are, the usual place na agihan ni mo pag moadto ka o Cagayan de Oro from Davao City. So right now it's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. ba? No? It's already 8 a.m. and hopefully maabot na dito mga around. And now of course kauban na to. Hindi pwede mawala si Tot, kaya naagyo na siya permanente, kaya amo ning vlog. And as of now, we are here at Davao pa. It is kumbaga considered as one of the coldest part of Mindanao, because actually naga-fog na ang area since medyo on top na siya sa mountain, even ang mga daanan. Tapos let's see, there are a lot of townhouses or vacation spot sa Buda, pero more on nature ang yung mga makita.
And I wonder where you are.
Finally we arrived here at Buda. Strawberry, first time.
Yes, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Dili din ito may isang strawberry. As you can see, actually Buda is dira sila sa likod, nangita na sa loob kaning strawberry nga mapalitan kay even I gusto pud na ako mo try sa strawberry. And then nangita pud sila og mga tanom na gusto nila paliton, and lami dili siya tamis, karon lang kapilaw first time strawberry. Okay lang. Ayo! Topo! Tanom call inyo ha? Ay, na. Hi guys. Well, they seem to be enjoying na mamalit og plants. So finally, 20! Finally nakakita na gid mig tag 20. Kay kanina among nagian murag around 50 to 50 and above. So medyo mahal siya. And Ate Heidi, they seem to be a very fan of as you can see tura si Ate Heidi and si Kuya Resty. They seem to be a fan of kanay mga plants. So mo to ilahang tuyo karon, actually gusto nila mo palit og plants sabay na pod na mag-explore diri sa Buda. So mamaya na may mga place na tuon, may mga cheap place lang na pwede masuruyan diri sa Buda para i-show po or ipakita namo sa inyo ha kung saan na diri. And then sige, lapitan na sila dito. Herb plants available. Bente. Unsa nang atanom? Ha? Spearmint? I mean, spearmint. Spearmint daw. So spearmint. So mo na siya ang tanom na spearmint. Murag gyud siya mentol. Mint gid siya, mura siya candy, mura siya og snow beer. And then herbal po daw na siya. Herbal po din siya matawag. Sa ginaunsa ni siya para sa
pang tea na siya.
Pang tea. Niya tag 20 lang, and actually dali lang siya buhion kay mo ano daw siya mo mabuhi siya sa init. Wow. Palit mi ani karon. Ito siya lemon balm para unsa man po daw ni siya. Nay ko digo si kuya. Wow. So kompleto ilahang, di man maingon kompleto but almost all of the herbal na mga plants is naa sila din. So ayos ni naputay learnings. Lemon balm. Then mga plants. I'm surrounded by plants. Plants everywhere. Plants. Surrounded by plants.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious.
Okay, habang tinatahak namin ang daang Buddha, nakita namin ang sign na may sabi is Golden Gate Adventure Resort, and then the entrance fee is, the adult is for 10 pesos, the children is around 5 pesos. So we got curious and gusto naman siya i-try since wala pa po may nag-lunch, and we decided na dili na lang may mag-lunch. Thank you so much. And we are actually here. And actually we are on top of a mountain. Actually, we're just going to have our lunch here. So, naapay somewhere. Ka? CR ka? Toilet. Guardia. Kay nag-CR ang bayi sa toilet. Nag-CR ang bayi sa toilet. Actually, not bad for a 10 peso nga entrance at 5 peso. It's fine. Actually, it's good. Anyway, we're just going to spend our lunch here. Naman may baon. So, okay lang. Suka ni siya, te?
Oh, pinakurat.
Mo din, pinakurat din na suka di ay. Thank you for the lunch, courtesy of Kuya Resti and Ate Heidi.
Yes, come on, let's eat.
Let's eat. Hi. This is actually what is inside the resort. We are on top, and for 10 peso and 5 peso, actually not bad na ang entrance. As you can see, I'm going to the main highway, which is there. So makita ninyo ang main highway na ako sa ibabaw. And actually every time magbiyahe ko makita agad na ako na siya, pero may nga resort. Yes, resort. Inland. We have playground for kids, like, not sure if it's still working. And then a pool where there is no pool, and there's a basketball somewhere. Hi, come. I just met a new friend. What's your name? Your name's Max? What's your name? Your name's Max. Come. Let's run. Come. Lulululu. What the fuck? let's explore the place for a while. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, it's great. And na sila zipline actually. Somewhere I don't know. And napod sila pool which is 30 pesos daw yung bayad. The view is not di nabitin. Actually, okay na. Hello guys, it's already 6 PM and actually naanamiti ka rin sa Davao and now we are driving home and bago lang na maghihatod sina Kuya Resty o sina Ate Heidi and si Baby. So to summarize lang, ang mag-visit karon adlaw actually gikan mi sa Buda and then sa Buda dito ki-enjoy na mo ang strawberry with tots syempre and then nagkaon mi strawberry wala ko kabalo nga dili day na siya tamis karon lang ko kabalo nga napa-extra nga strawberry karon lang mi nakabalo actually na dili day na tamis ang day na siya matamis just like a lemon but anyway after after sa mong strawberry is pili mo yung mga plants and flowers which is makita niyo sa mong vlog karon kung sa to and na-amaze ko sa spearmint kaya actually humot yun kayo ang ihang dahon. Golden Gate Resort, actually it's not a very expensive kind of resort, more on it is located sa somewhere gihapon sa Marilog or sa Buda and then hindi mo siya matawag gwapo gid kaayo that it's actually a cheap resort pero so far nice gihapon siya due to its ambience, due to the cold weather and with the entrance fee of 10 pesos and 5 pesos at 10 pesos for adult and 5 pesos for children actually makaingon ka it's great na di ba tot? So do you wish to return to Golden Gate? Someday. So yun lang actually and then we had some small hike not really naikot na mong Golden Gate since syempre manguli pa Davao and it's about 2 hours biyahe from there sa Buda so it's actually worth it ang naging small adventure karon so hopefully next Sunday na napod may other adventure and stay tuned lang sa among channel. Please like, subscribe and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So do you have another message, Todd?
See you.
Pamating gid na siya sa tanan sa ko mga vlog baka ganing unsay masulti nimo? Yes. Unsay masulti nimo? No. Wala na yung matubag. Anyway, that's all guys. Thank you so much and hopefully enjoy ninyo ang among vlog. Thank you.